Hey, welcome to another video. In this video today we'll create a new Android app using Java language in latest Android Studio Koala. So nowadays whenever you're creating an Android app using latest Android Studio, you will not see any option to create the Android project using Java. So how you can create I'll show the trick in this video. So now you go to new project and create a new project. If you create empty no activity, select this and go next. You will see there is no option to select Java language. Okay, so you can see only Kotlin is mandatory. Okay, so what you will do, you go to one empty view activity. So select an empty view activity, and there you can see once you selected an empty view activity, then there is an option called Java. So now you can select the Java, and rest of the things is fine because now project will be created using Java. Now finish it. Now you can see the project is getting created in Java. Thanks for watching.